Sunscreen and moisturizer play essential roles in maintaining healthy skin. Sunscreen protects against harmful ultraviolet rays, which can cause premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Moisturizer helps to keep the skin hydrated, preventing dryness and irritation. Incorporating both into your daily skincare routine supports the skin's natural barrier and promotes a smoother, more resilient complexion. Together, they form the foundation of effective skincare, suitable for all skin types and ages. Sunscreen acts as a protective barrier between your skin and the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. By absorbing or reflecting UV radiation, it helps prevent sunburn, premature aging, and reduces the risk of skin cancer. Regular use of sunscreen is essential because even brief exposure to sunlight can cause damage over time. Applying sunscreen ensures that your skin remains healthy and protected, no matter the season or weather conditions. Moisturizers are skincare products designed to hydrate and protect the skin. They work by trapping water in the outermost layer, preventing dryness, and maintaining the skin's natural barrier. Regular use of moisturizers can help soothe irritation, reduce flakiness, and improve overall skin texture. By supporting the skin's moisture balance, these products contribute to a healthier, more resilient complexion. Choosing the right moisturizer for your skin type can enhance these benefits and promote long-term skin health. Many people believe that the order in which you apply sunscreen and moisturizer doesn't matter, but this is a common misconception. Some think that mixing the two products together is just as effective, or that applying sunscreen first provides better protection. In reality, sunscreen should be applied as the final step in your skincare routine, after moisturizer. This ensures that the sunscreen forms an even, protective barrier on top of your skin. Applying it in the wrong order can reduce its effectiveness and leave your skin vulnerable to sun damage. Sunscreen protects our skin from the harmful effects of ultraviolet, or UV, radiation. There are two main types, chemical and physical, also known as mineral sunscreens. Chemical sunscreens work by absorbing UV rays through their active ingredients, converting the energy into heat, and then releasing it from the skin. In contrast, physical sunscreens use minerals like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide to create a protective barrier that reflects and scatters UV rays away from the skin. Both types help reduce the risk of sunburn and long-term skin damage, but they function through distinct mechanisms. Moisturizers play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin by preventing water loss and reinforcing the skin's natural barrier. They typically contain ingredients like humectants, which draw moisture into the skin, and occlusives, which help seal it in. When used with other skincare products, moisturizers can enhance the effectiveness of active ingredients by locking them in and reducing irritation. It's generally recommended to apply moisturizer as the final step in your routine, after serums or treatments, to maximize hydration and protection. This layered approach helps ensure that each product works optimally and supports overall skin health. Experts generally agree that the correct order for applying sunscreen and moisturizer depends on the type of sunscreen you use. If you're using a chemical sunscreen, it should be applied before your moisturizer to allow it to absorb properly into the skin. For physical or mineral sunscreens, it's best to apply them after your moisturizer, as they act as a protective barrier on top of the skin. Following this order helps ensure that both products work effectively, providing optimal hydration and sun protection throughout the day. The recommended order of application is based on how different products interact with the skin and each other. Lighter, water-based formulas are typically applied first to ensure maximum absorption and effectiveness. Heavier creams and oils follow, creating a barrier that locks in moisture and active ingredients. This sequence helps prevent heavier products from blocking the absorption of lighter ones, optimizing the benefits of each step. By following this scientifically informed order, the skin receives the full advantage of every product used. Applying sunscreen before moisturizer can reduce the effectiveness of both products. Sunscreen is designed to form a protective barrier on the skin, and layering moisturizer on top may dilute or disrupt this shield. This can lead to decreased sun protection and potentially increase the risk of sunburn or skin damage. Additionally, the moisturizer may not absorb as well, leaving your skin less hydrated than intended. For optimal results, it's generally recommended to apply moisturizer first, followed by sunscreen as the final step in your skincare routine. Applying moisturizer before sunscreen can influence how well your sunscreen protects your skin. Some moisturizers may dilute or interfere with the even application of sunscreen, potentially reducing its effectiveness against harmful UV rays. This could lead to increased risk of sunburn or long-term skin damage. Additionally, if the moisturizer contains certain oils or active ingredients, it might affect how the sunscreen adheres to your skin. For optimal protection, it's important to ensure that both products are compatible and that sunscreen is applied as the final step in your skincare routine. Different skin types and conditions require tailored approaches to care. For example, individuals with oily skin may benefit from lightweight, non-comedogenic products, while those with dry skin often need richer, more hydrating formulations. Sensitive skin demands gentle, fragrance-free options to minimize irritation. People with conditions like acne, eczema, or rosacea should consult with a dermatologist to find products and routines that address their specific needs. Understanding your skin type and any underlying conditions is essential for achieving optimal results and maintaining skin health. When layering skincare products, the general rule is to apply them from thinnest to thickest consistency. Start with a gentle cleanser, followed by any treatment serums. Next, apply your moisturizer to lock in hydration. Sunscreen should always be the final step in your morning skincare routine, as it forms a protective barrier against UV rays. If you wear makeup, apply it after your sunscreen has fully absorbed to ensure maximum protection and a smooth finish. To maximize sun protection, it's important to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, or more often if swimming or sweating. Wearing protective clothing, wide-brimmed hats, and sunglasses can further shield your skin from harmful UV rays. For optimal skincare, combine sun protection with a gentle cleansing routine and daily moisturization to maintain healthy, resilient skin. Remember, consistent sun safety habits are key to preventing premature aging and reducing the risk of skin cancer. Many people wonder whether sunscreen should be applied before or after moisturizer. The general recommendation is to apply moisturizer first, allowing it to absorb fully, and then follow with sunscreen as the final step in your skincare routine. Another common question is whether makeup with SPF provides enough protection. While makeup with SPF offers some coverage, it is usually not sufficient on its own, so a dedicated sunscreen is still necessary. It's also important to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, especially if you're spending extended time outdoors. In summary, maintaining a consistent daily skincare routine is essential for healthy, radiant skin. Key steps include gentle cleansing, regular moisturizing, and the daily application of sunscreen to protect against harmful UV rays. Tailoring your routine to your specific skin type can help address individual concerns such as dryness, oiliness, or sensitivity. Remember to avoid over-exfoliating and to introduce new products gradually. By following these recommendations, you can support your skin's natural balance and promote long-term health.